Kiss Me by Sixpence Non The Richer is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 3rd fret. We're going to start this song with a C major chord, and for the first bar the rhythm is slightly different to how the rhythm goes for the rest of the song. We're going to strum down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. For the rest of the song the strumming will be down, 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 up, down, down. So just that extra up on the first little strum there, the first beat. So for the C, for the first bar, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then we'll go to a C major 7 chord, which sounds a lot more tricky than it actually is. All we need to do is just take that first finger off the guitar, and we have the down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so we have the C, going to the C major 7, and for the rhythm, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Then we're going to go to a C7 chord. We've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D, pinky finger, 3rd fret of the G, and the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B string. The high E string is okay as well if you catch that in there, but we don't want to hear that low E string in there. Strumming's the same, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then we'll actually go back to the C major 7 with the same strumming as before. Okay, so start off with a C. C major 7, C7, C major 7. Other than the first 9th root C chord, the strumming for the C is the same as for the other chords, so they're down, 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 up, down, down, down. There's a little bridge from the verse to the chorus, but it uses mainly just the verse chord. So it starts off with the C as normal, then goes to the C major 7 as normal, and the C7 as normal. But then we have a new chord in here. We actually go to an F major 7 chord. So we have the thumb over the top on the 1st fret of the low E string. You can actually leave that out if you want to, if you find the thumb over the top thing difficult. And we have the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B, and the high E open. You can actually even simplify it even more and just play the top 4 strings if you prefer as well. I tend to play it like this though. And the strumming's the same again, so down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so that little transition, the bridge into the chorus is the C, C7, major 7, C7, the F major 7. So slowly we have the C, C major 7, C7, F major 7. And more up to speed. So the chorus is much more difficult than the verse. There's a lot more chord changes to contend with, but the rhythm is actually exactly the same. So we start off with the D minor chord and we're going to strum down, down, down. But then on the up strum, we're going to swap chords to a G chord. And up, up, down, down, down. Okay, so the D minor. Up, down, down, down. Swap into that G chord. Then we'll go to a C chord. And on the up, swap to an A minor 7 chord. So far as that D minor, G, C, A minor 7. Then we'll go back through the D minor G, C major, C7. So far D minor, G, C, A minor 7, D minor, G, C, C7. We'll then do the D minor G again, C, and this time we're going to walk down to a C over B. So that finger these two fingers come off and we put the second finger on the second fret of the A string as a little walk down kind of bass to our intended chord, which is an A minor 7. So the C, down, 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 up, down, 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 C over B, then to the A minor 7 chord, to a G. The whole thing slowly so far is that D minor, G, C, A minor 7, D minor, G, C, C7, D minor to G, C, C over B, A minor 7, to the G, and then we're coming to the end of the chorus and we go back to the F major 7, but with a slightly different rhythm here. We play down, 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 and then to a G add 11, which is like the standard G, but fingered with the 3rd, 2nd, and pinky fingers. And we're going to add the first finger on the 1st fret of the B string there, strum it down twice. Then take it off the last strum there, the 3rd strum, for a normal G. So, and that's the whole chorus. So the whole chorus slowly sounds like this. Start on the D minor chord. There's a lovely picking part in the 3rd verse in the song too, which is based around the verse chords. We start off on that C chord and we're going to play the C as entirely. We're going to pick A, D, B, G, open B, 1st fret of the B, G, and then the D string. So one more time. In the 2nd bar we're going to pick the same thing, but we're going to have the C major 7 chord, so we haven't got the 1st finger on. We'll pick A, D, B, G, 3rd fret on the B, open high E, 3rd fret on the B, to the open G. Okay, so the first 2 bars. Then we go to the C7 chord, but we're just going to leave the pinky finger off just for now. So we'll have the standard C chord to start, we'll pick A, D, B, G, and then we'll put the 3rd finger down, the pinky finger down on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then pick B, G, D. We'll go back to the C major 7 chord to finish off, and we'll pick A, D, B, G, 3rd finger on the B string, catch high E and B before we finish there on the 4th beat with a little rest on the end. So the whole thing there, start off on the C chord. There's also a little bridge section in the song which uses the first part of the chorus before we go back into the chorus. So it starts off with that D minor, G, C, A minor 7 to the D minor, G, C, C7, and then back into the chorus. So stand again on that D minor, to G, C, A minor 7,